ESG investing is socially responsible investing, where while picking the kind of companies and stocks you want to put your money in, you not just evaluate them on financial parameters of profitability and revenue growth. However, you also look at other factors pertaining to environment, social impact, and governance as a whole. So, what are these other factors? Under environment, you would look at their carbon emissions, you would look at how sustainable they are in their use of natural resources, how efficiently do they use energy, how do they manage their waste disposal, are they doing anything towards recycling of byproducts which have come about in their manufacturing process, are they releasing any pollutants in the environment. These are and several other factors pertaining to environment. Under social, you would look at what are their policies towards employee benefits. Do they care for their employees' safety, their health, their children? What are their views on human rights? What are their views on gender equality? Now, coming to governance, you could look at certain things like how independent is the board of directors? Do they have an independent audit committee? Do they take decisions after taking into account suggestions from experts? And the business overall is not just run on the whims and fancies of the family of the promoter group. There could be several other factors that you may want to, of course, add into this framework. Which brings us to the point that ESG has become such a buzzword in the past couple of years that almost all companies now try and have an ESG section as part of their annual report to talk about what all steps they're taking towards the environment and towards society at large. A lot of mutual funds have also caught on and realized that investors care about the kind of companies they're putting their money in, which is why across mutual fund companies you would notice ESG funds have come up and have also become very, very popular. Now, one problem here is that there is no standard framework in India to evaluate companies and score them on an ESG matrix or framework, so to say. There are research institutes like Morningstar, which have a standard framework on which they're also trying and scoring all these mutual funds who call themselves so-called ESG, as well as other companies. So you can go to their website and look at how they've scored these funds in comparison to each other. SEBI has also realized this problem of greenwashing, which is force-fitting a company's business into a framework to show that they're environmentally sustainable and they care about society at large. There is a possibility that soon enough SEBI will release a standard framework which all companies will have to adhere to, and it will be ensured that everyone is scored on a common metric and it is not left to subjectivity. Which is why when you do pick an ESG fund, maybe do your research by going to something like a Morningstar website and checking how it's scored in comparison to other funds. Please do also read their ESG reports. Let me again tell you that ESG reports a lot of times may be marketing tactic and the actual reality may be completely different. So possibly wait for that framework to come so that you have a standard to measure them on. It's also known that when investors put in money in these companies in terms of financial returns, they expect these returns to be higher in comparison to other companies which do not adhere with an ESG policy. Reason being that when you care for the environment, when you're already thinking about non-renewables, you're a future thinking company which believes in future growth by taking environment into account, which is why it doesn't mean that financially ESG investing does not make sense. There's a possibility that a lot of these funds are doing very, very well because they're investing in future focused companies. If you have already invested in any ESG companies from that perspective, or you have invested in ESG mutual funds, please do tell me, put them in the comments below, and most importantly, share it with someone who may need it.